Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Akpeje. Today I'm making some chili. This is my vegetables: green pepper, onion, garlic, celery and fresh tomatoes. I chop everything together very well. This is my meat. I'm using ground beef. I have my pot, it's hot. I added some 1 teaspoon of oil. Then I'll start frying my meat. I'll fry it till everything is brown, just like this. I didn't break it too small. I break it a little big because I want that crunchiness inside. So I'll transfer it on the plate and start frying my vegetables. So I added some oil inside the pot. Then I'll start frying my vegetables. That's my celery, green pepper, onion and then fresh garlic. Then I'll fry this like 5 seconds, then I'll season it. For my seasoning, I'm using 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of masala seasoning, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and then 1 teaspoon of paprika. So that's my chopped tomatoes. I add my chopped tomatoes, my tomato sauce. I make it in the house myself, so I pour it on it. Then I add some water. I don't have chicken stock, but if you have chicken stock you can use chicken stock. So I add some water, then I mix everything together very well. Then I'll grab my meat and add it to the sauce. Then I'll mix it everything very well till everything has combined very well. That's my bay leaf. I'm using 3 bay leaf. I put it inside, then I'll mix it and cover this for about 5 hours. 5 hours later, this is how it look like. It's already thick. This is how it look like. Can you see that? So now I'll just add my beans. So this is the beans I'm using. I'll just go and open it and pour it inside the sieve and draw the water and rinse it with water before adding it to the sauce. So now my beans is clean. Back to the sauce. So I'll try and remove the bay leaf that I put inside before adding the beans. So tell me, how did you prepare your chili? Do you like chili? Or what do you use to eat your chili? Rice, plantain, spaghetti? I want to know. So let me know at the comment section. So I add my beans. I'm mixing it. I'll mix everything together very well. Then I'll cover it again. Then I'll load the fire about 1 hour. So I'm using 6 hours to cook this sauce. 1 hour later, let me just use my seasoning salt and season it and add the salt to my taste. Then I'll mix it and taste it and see if it's okay for me. Okay, it's good. Now it's ready to chop. You can use it to eat spaghetti, rice, plantain, yam, anything of your choice. I you see how the sauce is looking? It's looking yummy. Guys, if you see this useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl thumbs up, support your girl. For my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Your prayer, your support, everything. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.